This is the Happy Pig. The Happy Pig is a nonprofit organization dedicated to raising meat for needy families in the Philadelphia area. And we have free-range pigs at this pig pen. These pigs are happy pigs. Yes, it did get about 30 inches of snow. It was a little difficult for them to get around, but they're doing fine. They have water, they have feed, they have great shelters, and they're very, very happy. They're on Folly Road in Warrington, Bucks County.
This rooster's pretty great. We're pretty stupid. Take it easy, big guy. I'm just trying to get out of here. The big one's biting the little one. Really? How'd they get together? Oh no, not the little ones. The little one on the littlest side. One on this side. If we can.
Give us a call at Highland Hill Farm for your trees and shrubs. 215-651-8329. We ship from Fountainville, PA, Milan, PA, Lenore, North Carolina, and McMinnville, Tennessee. Thank you.